Hi, I am Rakesh, working as a Java programmer in Spiro Group of companies. Now I am going to explain a topic about secure data sharing in clouds. In this paper, we propose the secure data sharing in clouds methodology that provides data confidentiality and integrity, access control, and data sharing. How the data will be shared using the cryptographic server. That is the main concept of our proposal concept. So here we introducing the cryptographic server. What is the use of cryptographic server? It means the cryptographic server can generate the two types of key, one for user, another for file owner. This is the main concept of our abstract. So existing system. In existing system we are using a single key encryption in the existing system. In proposed system we are generating the two types of key, one for file owners and another for users. This way our proposed system will getting a more secure. In existing we are using the symmetric key algorithm. In proposed we are using the key generation and encryption algorithm. In existing algorithm, to improve upon the scalability of the above solutions, one day to many encryption methods can be used. In our proposed algorithm we are using the ciphertext cryptography. In here we are using to generating the two types of key, and the encryption and decryption will be taken into our proposed system. In the drawbacks of existing system, the data will not be secure in the existing system. Here the malicious attack can be used as this important research in issues. In advantages, we are generating the two types of key, and the encryption and decryption will be attempted in this. So this proposed system is more secured. The applications. What are the real-time applications? Means the networking system and the online examinations. So hardware requirements: processor Pentium 4 2.6 GHz, RAM 512 MB DD-RAM, monitor 15 inches, hard disk 40 GB. The software requirements of this project is front-end Java, that is J2EE, JSP servlet, structs are the examples. The JSP servlets are used to create a dynamic web page. So backend using MySQL to store our database. So operating system is Windows 7. So integrated development environment is Eclipse. So what are the future enhancement in this project? Means here we the file splitting concept will be used to the another security of this projects. So we are using the token verification algorithm for the security. In this algorithm definition means here the token is used to generate for the file security and splitting concept. So enrichments: only valid user is a set of attribute can create and store data in cloud using secret key to decrypt the store informations. In extraversions, verify the attribute of users who does not function of the data, the secure data attribute of the data holder. Thank you.